Hi everyone and welcome back to you on the MOONCHARTS, and it's a pleasure to record this video today. Hope that you are doing very well. This is extremely important. So today we're going to update the Bitcoin chart. We are going to talk about what's going to happen possibly next, what we have done here, how we can ride that move. I'm short from the top. I already told you that in the previous update on Bitcoin, so yeah, that was a more likely scenario. As always on the market, we trade probabilities, the highest probability trades, okay? That is extremely important. So, hope that you're ready. We're going to see possible scenarios here. Which one is more confirmed here, if we can say that. Which one is not? But I'm just going to go through the more likely scenario here, okay? That is, if you remember good, so we have some different possible scenarios here that we have done the wave 1, 2 here, 3 top here, 4 and 5. In that case, we have done, we are in a bigger wave 1 and wave 2, or we are in a wave 3 already. I mean, we don't have these 5 waves here, okay? We are done with the wave 3 top. We are in a wave 4. I mean, I think I already drew that with the scenario 1 here. Yeah, here we go. We are in that case done with the bigger wave 3 before. That is from this wave 1, 2 here, 3, 4. We are in some of the correction waves, and we're in a 5, okay? Now we still have the possibility of being in a flat inside a wave 4 or in a flat inside the wave 2, okay, here, for such as this, for example, okay, wave 1, 2, 1, 2 here, and we add another wave 1, 2 with a flat inside. There is a possibility of also of being in a wave 4 with a flat inside, okay, for example, this scenario, but in that case, we are still in the wave 4, we have to do the 5 of this move, and we have then after that to be done with a bigger wave 3, okay, or to create a bigger wave 1, 2 extra. Anyway, so here, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna stay and focus on the big flat, okay, we have there. So I'm going to add this ABC from the top here, because for me, I really don't count a top on the previous all-time high. I really count a flat from here with a wave count, it matches more with the top here. Personally, I have a flat after this that make a W, an X, and a Y, okay? Almost exactly than what we have done here. That is possible wave 2, okay? A, B, C flat, W, X, and Y here, okay? A, B, C flat, W, X, Y. The same thing, but a bit smaller here. Anyway, so an A, a B, not here, yeah, here, by the way, for in this ABC. I don't know what to, oh no, so, okay, sorry, because I'm in a trade at the moment. I'm going to change that to pink maybe, and change that to really big numbers later, like that. So here, ABC, okay, that can be a wave 4 or a wave 2, okay, we will confirm that later. Through the time with the pump we're going to create, with wave we're going to create inside the wave we're going to do next after this C wave will be done. So here what we have to do first of all is to check where this C wave can stop. Okay, so we add this extension tool from the A wave root to the A wave bottom here to the B wave top. First of all, we have the 61.8, then we have the 100%, that is red line here, then we have the 123, and then we have the 161 point maximum target. Okay, should we touch the 200%? By the way, the 200% is maybe negative. No, okay, so should we touch the 200%? This is an invalidation of this pattern, and we can think directly about another one. So for example, we can remove this ABC flap here, and we can think about, do we have done a bigger wave 1, a bigger wave 2, and after that, boom, we have to do a wave 3, 4, 5 extra to push higher and higher and higher, or 8k extra. Okay, for now, this is a more likely. Why? Simply due to these waves. In an A wave, we'll have to get a triple wave. So as you know, double X, as I explained before, correction here too. This is possibly 5 waves too, that's the prime here, but it can be also an ABC. Okay, so if that's an ABC, that's a triple wave. So triple wave. Inside a C wave, we'll have to get 5 waves. An impulsive, okay, so a normal impulsive waves, or an ending here. So I'm just gonna go on the 50 to see what we're doing really quickly. Wait, just 2 seconds. Alright, sorry, I possibly have to buy something here, so that's why I'm going to pause, I think, the recording right now, and just wait for the move to be done here to see if there is something to catch or not. So yeah, see you after the move. Alright, so, yeah, I'm gonna go back on the 12s out here. So yeah, targets we'll have to be aware of now. Should we drop more? is the 123. Now we have tapped the 100%, so we can be down to the bottom. Okay, we can do a truncated wave 5. A truncated wave 5 is, for example, when you have an impulsive, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and the wave 5 will stop before the top of the wave 3. Okay, if we're in an ABC, for example, you have an A, a B, and a C. If we do a truncated, that we stop before the A wave top. Okay, that's a truncated. What means truncated simply? So here we can do that in an ending. In a leading, this is not possible. Okay, in an ending, yes. You're maybe going to tell me, yes, but what are waves? Here we have 5 ways down. Here we have a correction. Here we have possible 5 ways down. So here if we have an A, a B, and a C, this is the first wave. In the wave 1, 3, and 5, you want to see an ABC zigzag to confirm an ending. This is what you have more likely in this kind of pattern. Now in the wave 2 and 4, you can get some different patterns than an ABC. For example, a WXY, a WXYZ. Triangle, this is not recommended at all to get, but anyway. So I'm gonna go on small white like that without waves. Perfect. Here we have an ABC. Here we have a correction WXY. Okay, here we have another A. Here another B, and we have a C here. Okay, so if you have a double ABC, what can that be? First of all, a WXY, but normally if we're in these waves, we are in a C wave, so we have to get 5 waves. With what? That will match a 1, okay, a 2 here, a 3, a 4, done or not. We're going to talk about this. And then wave 5 here. That looks like an ending, so that's pretty nice. Okay, so I'm going to leave waves, by the way. Now the wave 4. Sorry about that. It's possibly done. Okay, the wave 4 is possibly done. Why? So we're going now to go on low time frames and talk about that move we have done here and how I was able to open the short at 39k to ride that move down. We are at the moment doing here. So 39k is really the top here. So yeah, but I mean, we feel long on the bottom. We feel long on the bottom here. On the exact low, we feel long on the exact low here. Feel short on the exact top here. There is a possible long here, but we'll see. Okay, what happened there? We have to wait for reactions to be here, and wait for level we want to be hit here. But yeah, the downtrend is really strong here. So if I remember good, so what I was looking for is a WXY here. Okay, why a W? Because we have a triple wave up, an ABC, and after that we have a correction here. Then we have a leading, so an A, that a leading appear in an A wave of a zigzag or in a wave 1 of an impulsive. So most of the time in a Y leg we have a zigzag, ABC zigzag. So leading, ABC. Okay, you can expect to be in an ABC here. What you have to do here is to add, I gave you targets, you know, in the previous update. I'm not lying at all. I gave you every single targets to be aware of. So you was aware of these targets here. Okay. Here, how to find the Y target? You just have to add your extension tool from the low of the W to the top of the W to the low of the X here. You add your targets. What is the first target for a Y leg? It is a 61 point. And guess where we stop at exactly? On this 61 point. Coincidence? I don't think so. Anyway, now you can add the A, B, C targets. Okay, so I don't remember, but that one is not really well respected. Yeah, first target hit. Most of the time we don't touch perfectly the 61 point, so that's why here. But yeah, the most important was this WXY in my opinion, and it's exactly where we stop it out. Okay, more over this with smaller waves here. We have a 5 waves impulsive, so it confirms the A, the B, and the C because we have small 5 waves. Now we can still be some possible, I mean, if you remember good in the previous update, that was possible also to be in a wave 1 here, okay? A wave 1, a wave 2 with a flat inside, A, B, C flat inside. Then another wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2. Now we have the confirmation that we are not in this. We can still be, okay? But normally, for example, in a flat A, B, C in the wave 2 here. But we have clearly 5 waves here, so I will not take this case. Now this is still possible, okay? So yeah, the second wave 1 to here doesn't validate anymore. We broke into wave 1 route. Now still pay attention to that. Okay, we can still be in a possible flat here, by the way. Yeah. Normally not valid anymore for the wave 1 to be valid here, but yeah, just in case. There is a lot of possibilities. So I'm not going to take every single ones, but the most possible ones. Okay, so for now, the most possible thing is that we are still inside this wave 4. We are still in a correction wave here. Okay. In that case, we're going to do a bigger, for example, W, an X, and a Y here. Okay, maybe down, maybe not down. The X low, we don't know yet. Okay. In that case, we're going to finish the wave 4 later. Okay. Now we already spent enough time, so we can say that we are possibly down with the bottom, with the top. Sorry, here. So now, what we want to see exactly to say if we are more likely in this wave or not. To confirm that we are more likely in this wave, we want to see 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves. Exactly what we did in previous waves. 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves. A, B, C. Okay, so here we have to get an A, a B, and a C. So 5 waves impulsive, triple waves, 5 waves. It can be in an A wave a leading or an impulsive. Okay, in the B wave correction wave, whatever you want, triangle, WXY, ABC, zigzag, everything. Okay, and the C wave impulsive or an ending. Okay, so we are going to do something like that. An A, a B, and a C. Okay, with a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then a triple correctional triangle, whatever you want, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we're in these waves, okay, this is an ABC zigzag, and this is what we want to see to confirm that we are in the wave 5 already, or if we are still in the wave 4. Okay, we don't have the full confirmation yet. Are we in a bigger WXY as I said, or are we already in the ABC to the downside inside this wave 5? If there's a small long on the low here, 50% out, and stop loss on entry. Pretty nice. From that low here. Anyway. So yeah, these are the possibilities here, and this is the highest probability things. Now, that's why Elliott Waves are just pretty crazy. As you can see, it was able to predict that low to long, was able to predict that low to long, that low to long, that top to possibly short, that top to short here, this top to short here. We are doing some crazy gains thanks to Elliott Waves and other tools, of course, but really thanks to Elliott Waves, because that gives us a context, and the context is extremely important to expect what is going to happen next and what is more likely going to happen next. And this is all about probabilities on the market. Okay, and you just trade the highest probabilities. Okay, so for example, to fill a short here, that was for me the highest probability trade to take. That's why I feel short here. I did some scalp extra with a 50% out after $100 move to refund fees and make money, and boom, stop loss on entry, got stopped out, and once again exactly the same. I don't know the amount of short I feel on that top, but that's pretty crazy. And to finally wait for that last push up here, I read that move down, boom, to profit extra, got stopped out on entry. So refunded fees, made money. That's all. Waited for the move here, feel short on that one, and here we go, right that move to the downside. So yeah, if you want to learn Elliott Wave good, you are exactly at the right place. I'm going to be here to assist you, really to assist you and to answer your questions. There is no stupid questions. You know, you can ask whatever you want. I'm going maybe to make some videos to answer your questions. I'm going to really to be here to assist you, to teach you Elliott Wave good in the right way, because there is a lot of people that are not that are here but just, you know, to sell you some cool stuff or some few things really bad. You know, I'm here really to give you the best Elliott Wave services. I'm going to do my best. I teach it some people, you know, you can check out that on the MOONCHARTS website. I teach some people that are now doing some really nice plans and some really nice gains thanks to Elliott Waves. I have now some more and more course and more content, for example, some other software to use in addition to Elliott Wave to really get some really best entries on the market and just make some crazy gains, such as, for example, that one here. Without a nice boost, even if we just do a boost and we just continue the move down, we are short from higher, we enjoy the trend, and we still make money by our longs, because we fill the long, we take profit, we set stop loss on entry, fees are refunded, we are making money. And we cannot lose any money, because if we jump, we have stop loss on entry. So even maybe more, even maybe if you want, I stop profit. So who cares about if we dump more? Clearly, there's more profit for the big short. I feel it personally on the top. So yeah, if you want to make more money, if you want to learn Elliott Wave good, if you want to become just a profitable trader, simply, you are at the right place and you will get all the tool you need and all the knowledge and experience that I have to share with you for you, okay, with a lot of video content, some PDF where I go through Elliott Wave, basic rules, Fibonacci tools, probabilities, correction waves, leading and ending, the raw case, and a thank you message. You can get a lot of content, some strategies, some templates for some other software I'm using, I mean, so much things for real. How to trade these patterns, some trading cards, some Elliott Wave cards where you have a summary of every patterns with the highest probability things, less probability things, everything, you know, absolutely everything. There is, I mean, I'm not here, you know, to take your money, absolutely not. I'm here only to teach you Elliott Wave good. That's the only thing I'm doing here. There is no any financial advice. I'm only here to propose you educational content. Of course, if you want to join for free, you have the free member role on the Discord server. You just have to get started, and you will be on the Discord server for free. You will have free chats, my technical analysis, my free ones, such as that one I am posting on YouTube. You will get some screenshots maybe sometimes. You will get some course also for you, for example, how to use the extension and retracement tool, which values I'm using, how to place them on the chart, on patterns, and basic Elliott Wave things, okay? So do not hesitate to join the Discord server. Feel free to join us. You can just click the get started button here, or click the Discord link in the description. Otherwise, if you want more and more content, you can just look and check for the cool subscriber role, or VIP if you want my training plans, where I give you all of my training plans on 5 cryptocurrencies and more if I trade more, if I want to trade more. Yeah, you will get all of my smaller waves, extra. I mean, yeah, some really nice things. Okay, that was a long planet here during the dump. Anyway, so yeah, so I really think that's all really on Bitcoin. You know what we can expect next, okay? Just to be aware of, should we push higher? We know in what we are. In that case, you just have to add your targets, okay? Let's say we're going to stop here, okay? And we're going to push higher, maybe go a bit more down and push higher after this. So to speak, a W, an X, and a Y. Well, that's possible. So by the way, we do a triangle here, A, B, C, D, E, and after that, boom, drop, okay? That's absolutely possible too, okay? Now, this is not the more likely scenario. In leadings and endings, this is not what we have most of the time on triangle. So this is less possible. So we think about it. We have it in mind. This is possible, but this is not the highest in terms of probabilities. So we don't. I mean, that's why I'm not showing you that directly here. Okay. So here W. Okay, an X, maybe done or not, and a Y. How to find Y targets? Exactly the same as this WXY that I gave you targets. You first click on the W root, on the W top, if I can, and then you just have to add a third click on the wave, on the X retracement bottom. That's the only thing you have to do, and you will be able to find the first target. Sorry. So should we go more down, for example, you just have to lower your third click here on the low we're going to form. Okay. Now for now it's here. So first target 618, second target 100%, third target 123, and the last one 161.8. Should we touch it 100%? We have an invalidation, and we have to think about something else. Now, for example, Y is a 1, 2, for example, here, Y, you will not get a wave 1, a wave 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Simply because you are going maybe to tell me, yes, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but the problem is the wave 3 here, the wave 3 top, cannot be lower than the wave 1 top. And this is what we have here. The wave 3 always have to be higher than the wave 1 top. The wave 5 is higher, yes, but not the wave 3. So this is an invalidation of a possible wave 1, 2 here. Okay. Now there is still a possibility of being in a wave 1 and being in a wave 2 with a B, C flat inside. Yes, there is a lot of possibilities, but I say I'm not going to say every single one. So it will be too long, otherwise there is just tons of possibilities here. So I just give you the most possible one, and most of the time this is what happened, okay? Because it is all about probabilities. So yeah, now you're aware of absolutely everything. Should we go more down? You know the target expected there, okay? You know absolutely everything. So now, yeah, I think I'm not going to do a lot more videos, except if we do some interesting move. But now everything is planned. We know waves. You know what we're going to do here, possibly. Okay. We know targets. Should we lose that one? We can just look towards the 161 point here. Okay. Now, when I say when we lose that one, it's not we just do a week and reclaim. Okay. It's when we lose, we lose. Okay. We clearly go really more down and do not reclaim that. Okay. Really go more down and find out with smaller wave target where we can go exactly, where we can expect to stop, if the stop will match here or not with the ABC targets. When we lose, it's when we completely go through and do not reclaim the level. Okay, we really go through that level. In that case, yes, the level is lost and we can look towards the next one. Okay, now we can go and do a wick below and reclaim after that. Okay, this is possible. So yeah, now the ABC fly is a more likely scenario in my opinion. It looks really like we are in that one. You can maybe add, if you want, this trend line here. Okay, and this trend line here to find the support and resistance of this wedge here to the downside. Then important. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Only time we'll give us some answers if we're going to drop directly like really crazy, to do this wave 5, or if we're in a bigger wave 4 here, longer one. We don't know yet, so only time will tell us. Anyway, as always, if you want to get some really nice content, really nice course with a lot of content, I spend hours and hours and hours every single day to give you my best technical analysis for VIPs, for example, because yes, I work a lot for VIPs to give you the best trade setups, the best entries, the best explanations, the best information simply on Bitcoin and 4 other cryptocurrencies. Less these days on 4 other cryptocurrencies, but normally, yeah, I'm just waiting for waves to be done, and that's all, because I'm a lot more. I'm a big Bitcoin trader, you know. I'm a lot more on Bitcoin, but anyway. But if you want to learn Elliott Wave, that's the right place. That's absolutely the right place. This is really the best educational content on Elliott Wave you will find on internet. Really, I'm not lying at all, because you will get probabilities, you will get every single patterns, every single rules adapted to crypto market. You'll get absolutely everything. Anyway, you can also click the about page to see information on me, the MOONCHARTS information, how it have been created. You can just watch at a video here. Okay, you have some text here. That is me. You will get some information on me and the story, the MOONCHARTS story simply. Anyway, so yeah, take care of you. That is important. Just checking what we're doing really quickly. Okay, and yeah, see you next time. I don't know when exactly, because we're going to wait for the move to be done on the YouTube channel. Okay, and when the move will be done, we're going to go through the move we have done to explain you how that was possible to trade that. So if you want to get more today, just join the Discord server, and I think I will post some screenshots sometimes for you, some few things you have to be aware of on Bitcoin. Okay, so if you want to be informed on that, just join the Discord server, and I'm going to put that into the technical analysis channels. Because yeah, now everything is planned, everything is ready. The bigger WXY or bigger ABC to the downside to ride that wave 5. 2 possibilities. Which one is going to play out? Only time will tell us. And thanks to smaller waves in the wave we're doing right now, we can already expect some few waves to somewhere. Anyway, take care of you. That's important. And yeah, all the best. All the best for you in your trading. And yeah, see you next time. Cheers.